what I'm realizing is that I made a small mistake that a lot of us make. You might be making it right now with your business, with your podcast, with your health, with something. There's a good chance that you're making the mistake that I was making. And the big takeaway, the big learning lesson that I got is that unfortunately I was focused so much on this tree that I didn't end up paying close attention to all of the blessings, all of the benefits, all of the cool things. For example, I would say, by looking at just the tree and only thinking about the tree, I didn't notice, for example, just the view by just turning around and seeing the view of the city. I missed, probably the birds chirping, the symphony of being in wilderness, into nature, that beautiful, lovely symphony, the sun, the vitamin D, the sun, the fresh air, the smells, the flowers. I feel like I missed all of these things because I was so very focused on the destination, but not very focused on the journey, not very focused on the fun parts, not living in the moment. And I see that with a lot of people. Okay. I see that with me in many other ways. I see that with very successful people who make a lot of money, who finally buy that house with the pool in the living room, with they're finally in that neighborhood that they always wanted to live in. It's a multi-million-dollar neighborhood or whatever. They're looking and they can see this one thing and they're like, I made it. But here's the thing. A lot of those people, you and I probably included, a lot of us, when we make it, we get to this place and we finally got that pool in our living room. We finally got that view in our backyard. We finally got that Ferrari. We finally got that super attractive life partner, that we can show off. We finally are the best dressed we got our master's degree, our doctorate degree. We got our high paying job. We got our prestigious this or prestigious that. We got our 6-pack abs or bodybuilding competition, the triathlon we've always wanted to do. We finally did a marathon. We got this achievement and it's less fulfilling. I know too many multimillionaires that say, I achieved this thing, but I'm still the exact same person. I achieved this thing. I finally got that house. I finally got that car. I finally got that. I'm well-traveled. I've been all over the world, but there's still an emptiness in us if we're focused on just the tree. There's an emptiness if we're focused on just the 6-pack abs. There's emptiness when we focus on just having 1 million followers or listeners for our podcast. There's emptiness when we go through the motions in order to achieve our dream, make more money, get more followers, but we miss the point about the flowers, the view, the smells, the fresh air, the vitamin D. And so I wanted to spend a couple of minutes as I'm reflecting on this, and I want to have that conversation with you.